I'm actually really excited.
Yeah.
I feel like a kid.
Stick in.
I want to know what Rocky thinks of this. I want to see if he's like out the window. Oh, this is brilliant.